Hey, Demetria Davenport here, the massage doctor. Today I want to share with you guys a gift that I got for Christmas. It's called the PolarRoller by GoFit. This is the tool right here. My brother and my sister Ashley and Manny got this for me for Christmas because I love little gadgets. So with the PolarRoller, what you can do, you can take and put this in the freezer. Also, it has some liquid in here. I'm gonna shake it up. Hopefully you guys can hear that. When you put this in the freezer, the liquid inside the stainless steel ball, it does not freeze, but it does keep the ball cold and for hours. You can take the PolarRoller and you can put it in the freezer for 2 hours. If you want to leave it in overnight, you can. Also, the handle comes off. So if you want to put just this part of the roller in the freezer, you can. If not, if you want to keep it all together so you won't lose the handle part, if it is too cold for you, just use a hand towel, a face towel or something and wrap it up. But if you're okay with holding it while it's cold, that's cool. So with ice therapy, what the PolarRoller does is a form of ice therapy. Instead of using a frozen water bottle and or ice packs, us as health practitioners, if our clients are having any kind of swelling, we'll tell them, to ice the area for maybe every 5 to 15 minutes, a couple of times throughout the day or whatever. But this is convenient. It won't be wet and messy, because when you have a water bottle and or a ice pack, it does get wet and get kind of messy. So this is going to be a little more convenient. What you can do with the PolarRoller is good for soft tissue injuries, inflammation, and swelling. Okay, it's just taking the place of an ice pack or a frozen water bottle. So what you can do, you can use this and you can roll it on the area that's affected. Here, if you have carpal tunnel, you can roll it on your wrist area and your forearm. Also, if you're suffering from tennis elbow and or golfer's elbow, you can roll it here. Even though I'm on a little bony area here on my back of my forearm here, it doesn't hurt. I'm not applying a lot of pressure, but that feels pretty good. Also, you can use it on your shoulders like that, the back of your neck. Okay, also just this camera here like this. Also, if you have plantar fasciitis, this is good too. It's a 2-in-1. It's a massager and you're doing that ice therapy at the same time. Hold on so you guys can see. You're doing that ice therapy at the same time. So you're massaging and doing ice therapy. Also good if you're working out and you have sore muscles like your calf. You can massage here. Also your hams. If you're doing leg workout, you can massage your hams and also your quads. And then guys, if you suffer from headaches, migraine headaches, you can also use the massager and just gently roll across your forehead. Now this is pretty cool already. I have not put this in the freezer, but just the coolness from the stainless steel ball, it feels really good. And what you can do, guys, you can take and massage, do an ice massage with the PolarRoller. You can do anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes or anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. The choice is up to yours. Also, the PolarRoller costs about, about 30 bucks. So you can get this for about 30 bucks. I like it. Like I said, it's very cool and it feels good. It's relaxing. Like I said, it's good for people who have migraines. That'll work for you guys as well. And then when you want to clean the PolarRoller, you can take and either use a mild soap and wash it off with that, and or you can use a sanitized wipe to clean off your polar roller. And then once you're done with it, either you can leave it out or put it back in the freezer, and when it's ready to use, you can pull it out and use it. I hope this information was very helpful to you guys, and before you make any changes to your health care regimen, always check with your primary physician. The massage doctor sign out. Mwah! Love you, bye.